going to take you through trapezium rule. Trapezium rule is used to estimate an integral area and a curve for a continuous function over a given interval AB using subintervals, stroke subdivisions, stroke strips. Let's see. If R1 equals f of x with interval AB, then our area is going to be integral from a to b y dx, which equals a half height into sum of the first plus last ordinate plus 2 sum of the remaining ordinates. And our height equals the upper interval minus the lower interval over number of sub-intervals. Let's have an example. Use trapezium rule with 4 sub-intervals. Estimate to 2 decimal places the area of the function integral from 0.2 to 1 to x plus 1 over x squared plus x dx. We are going to use our formula which says that area equals a half height into sum of the first plus last ordinate plus 2 into sum of remaining ordinates. We are going to get our height, which equals 1 minus 0.2 over 4, which is our number of sub-intervals. So our height equals 0.2. And then from there, we are going to draw a table which contains x values and f of x values. Our f of x equals 2x plus 1 over x squared plus x. And we are going to divide into 2 on the side of f of x such that we put our first and the last ordinate in the first column and the remaining ordinates in the second column. And then from there, we are going to get our values of x. Our first value of x is the lower interval, which is 0.2. And then the second value is the lower interval plus the height, which is 0.4. And the third one is the lower interval plus 2 height, which is 0.6. Then one is our lower interval plus 3h, which is 0.8. And the last one is our lower interval plus 4h, which is 1.2. And from there, we are going to get our values of f of x by putting our x into the form. Our first value of f of x is 2 times 0.2 plus 1 over 0.2 squared plus 0.2, which is 5.80 3. Our second value of f of x equals 2 times 0.4 plus 1 over 0.4 squared plus 0.4, which is 2.292. The third one is 2 times 0.6 plus 1 over 0.6 squared plus 0.6, which is 2.292. Our first one was 3.214. Then the second one is 2.292. Then the third one, the fourth one is 2 times 0.8 plus 1 over 0.8 squared plus 0.8, which is 1.806. And the last one is 2 times 1.0 plus 1 over 1.0 squared plus 1.0, which is 1.5. Then after, we are going to get our sum of the first plus the last ordinate and the sum of the remaining ordinate. So, sum of our first plus the last ordinate is 7.2. Sum of the remaining ordinates is 7.312. And we are going to put our sum of the first plus the last ordinate into the formula, and the sum of the remaining ordinates into the formula, and our height. Our values into the formula. Our formula is a half h, which is 0.2 into sum of the first plus the last ordinate, which is 7.333 plus 2 into sum of the remaining ordinates, which is 7.2312. And then our answer is 2.20 after calculating this one. So let's have the second exam. Our second example is using trapezium rule with 4 sum intervals to 3 decimal places. Find the area of the function interval from 0 to pi over 2 cos x dx. Again, we are going to use our formula, which is area equals a half height into sum of the first plus last ordinate plus 2 into sum of the remaining ordinates. And we are going to get our height, which is equals to the upper interval, which is pi over 2 minus 0 over 4. Our h equals pi over 8. Now we are going to draw our table containing x and f of x values. Our f of x equals cos x, and we are going to divide into 2, on the side of f of x, such that we put the first and the last ordinates into the first column and the sum of the remaining ordinates into the second column. Let's get our values of x. And our first value of x is 0, since it is the lower interval. And our second value of x is 0 plus height, which is pi over 8. And the third one is 0 plus 2h, which is 2 pi over 8. And the fourth one is 0 plus 3h, which is 3 pi over 8. And the last one is pi over 2. From 0 plus 4h. And we are going to get our values of f of x. Our first value is cosine 0, after putting in a 0, which is a 1. The second one is cos pi over 8, which is 0.932. Then the third one is cos 2 pi over 8, which is 0.7071. The fourth one is cos 3 pi over 8, which is 0.387. And the last one is cos pi over 2, which is 0.000. And we are going to get our sum of the first plus the last ordinate and the sum of the remaining ordinates. Our sum of the first plus the last ordinate is 1.00, and the sum of the remaining ordinates is 2.0137 after adding these ones. And we are going to put our h into the formula, sum of the first plus the last ordinate to the formula, and the sum of the remaining ordinates to the formula. Putting our h, sum of the first plus the last ordinate, and the sum of the remaining ordinates into the formula. Our formula is a half h. Our h is pi over 8, and sum of the first plus the last ordinate is 1.00 plus 2 into sum of the remaining ordinates, which is 2.0137. And our answer is 0.987 after getting this one. So with these examples, let's stop here. Thanks for listening to me, and I beg that you do more examples, understand more and more. Thank you.